The legend is back. The Pontiac Firebird has risen from the ashes, blending raw muscle with cutting-edge technology. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. An icon reborn, a machine built to dominate streets and racetracks alike. But does it live up to the Firebird legacy? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the beast that is the 2025 Pontiac Firebird. Before we unleash this monster, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you love muscle cars, and don't forget to share it with your fellow gearheads. Let's keep the Firebird legacy alive together. One glance, and you know this car means business. The 2025 Firebird revives Pontiac's signature split grille, now with a modern honeycomb mesh design and aggressive LED accents. Those dual round headlights? A throwback to classic muscle, but now upgraded with adaptive LED technology for razor-sharp visibility. And that sculpted hood? It's not just for looks. Functional air vents channel air directly to the powerhouse beneath. Pontiac may be gone, but this Firebird keeps its spirit burning bright. From the side, it's the perfect fusion of old-school muscle and modern aerodynamics. Wide fender flares house massive blacked-out alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance rubber. The sculpted side skirts and low-slung roof lines scream performance, while aerodynamically designed side mirrors help this beast slice through the wind with precision. This isn't just a muscle car, it's a work of art in motion. And check this out, the back is a perfect blend of nostalgia and futuristic style. The sleek horizontal LED taillights pay homage to classic Firebirds while adding a modern flair. The glowing Firebird emblem at the center, a subtle but powerful tribute to its legendary past. And let's not forget the quad exhaust system. This isn't just for show. Step on the gas, and this machine roars like an untamed phoenix. Alright, let's talk about what really matters, the heart of this machine. Under the hood, the 2025 Firebird packs a monstrous 6.6-liter twin turbocharged V8, pushing out a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just muscle, it's raw, unfiltered power. With an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission, launch control, and an all-wheel drive option, this beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Pontiac engineers have fine-tuned the adaptive suspension system to deliver precise handling, making it a true track-ready machine. Step inside, and you're greeted by a perfect mix of retro muscle and futuristic comfort. The white leather seats contrast beautifully with the black dashboard, giving the cabin a premium yet sporty feel. The Firebird emblem sits proudly on the steering wheel, a nod to its rich heritage. And check this out, a fully digital driver's display, a massive touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system that makes sure you stay connected and entertained while tearing up the road. This car may be built for performance, but it doesn't skimp on luxury. Now, how does it feel on the road? In one word, exhilarating. The steering is sharp, the throttle response is instant, and when you put your foot down, you feel every bit of that 750 horsepower fury. But unlike its predecessors, this Firebird isn't just about brute force. The adaptive suspension and all-wheel drive give it a level of control that puts it in the same league as high-end sports cars. Whether you're cruising down the highway or carving up corners, this machine delivers. The 2025 Firebird isn't just a revival, it's an evolution. It honors the past while charging full throttle into the future. Pontiac may not be around anymore, but this car proves that its soul never left. It's loud, aggressive, and unapologetically American. A true muscle car for the modern era. So, what do you think? Has Pontiac done justice to the Firebird name? Would you take this over a modern Mustang or Camaro? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because we've got more legendary cars coming your way. Until next time, keep the engines roaring.